Okay guys, I have drilled out one of these, the back plates of one of these motors. You can see what happened inside. I already know what happened, but some people may not know what happens when the brushes go inside of a motor. So I'll show you. Let's see, let me get the light on here. Okay. You can see where there should be two brushes, there is only one remaining. The other one disappeared. Say there should be two of these, another one off of this side. And it broke off right about there. And I can see through the hole on the other motor, it's the exact same thing. So assume that piece got pitched out of the motor. And the other one, same thing. There's nothing rattling around in there, it's just gone completely. So that's what happens when you brushed factory motor in your RC car. Stops getting electricity, it stops turning, and you need a new one. It's that simple. Some motors, aftermarket motors, you can rebuild the brushes in them, get them up and running again, but that doesn't change the other part that's slowly wearing out too. I mean, as you can see, that's not too good. So why would you want to rebuild that, right? I was looking at the RC four-wheel drive ones. They're right now at a Canadian hobby site on sale from 25 bucks down to 19. I mean, that's not bad at all. They'll probably be just as good or better than these, so not too worried about it. Unless you guys have a better idea for motors, I can't think of one. I can find the motors cheaper, but then the shipping is ridiculous. So I don't know. I guess I'll be placing an order soon. I don't know what else to do. Gotta get it up and running.